Thursday, Night Prayer.
Dear God, thank you for seeing me through this Thursday. As I look back on the day, I'm grateful for your guidance and the strength you gave me.
Lord, I appreciate the moments of joy today and the lessons I've learned. If there were times when I struggled or made mistakes, I ask for your forgiveness and wisdom to do better.
As the day comes to an end, I pray for peace in my heart. Help me to release any worries or stress and find true rest in your presence tonight.
Please watch over my family and friends, Lord. Protect them as they sleep and give them peace and comfort through the night.
Help me wake up tomorrow with renewed strength and a clear mind, ready to finish the week with focus and determination. Thank you for your constant presence in my life.
Lord, I trust you with all that happened today and everything that tomorrow will bring. Let your love surround me as I sleep and fill me with hope for the days ahead.
In your loving care, I rest tonight.
Amen.